Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Skoda Fabia 2016 model. I'm going to show you how we're going to change the starter. But meantime, you can apply many VW group cars, VW Golf, Polo. Yeah. However, if your starter motor sit on here, straight underneath here, you can see this is the starter motor. It's not hard a job, right? We'll go step by step. First thing first, we need to remove the battery and take a more access. I will remove negative line first. Right. Positive. Right. Then now after that there is a 13 mil nut there. Also I'll give the small tip. Sometime your starter motor will fail in the roadside. You need to go somewhere to until sort out. If you thinking if your starter motor not working, this is old school method. Take a like this, something suitable, and you can see here top of the starter wet like that, and the same time someone need to ignition on and take a key to the starting position, and someone need to wet from here. Might be it will back to normal, but it's one of two of not for a lifetime. Yeah. Then after that, once it start, you can go to the local garage and you can take a professional advice. Because unfortunately this customer been to the one garage and they said there could be battery, and they changed the battery. Then after that, what happened, garage scratched the head and they said, oh, could be starter motor. Then after that I asked him to bring it in. He in now, I'll check. Yes, confidence answer, starter motor gone. 13 mil nut here, and one there and one there. Basically three, basically two nut and one bolt. Yeah. First of all, I'm disconnecting this all wiring loom. It's fixed to the right. Okay, two more this side. Right, all out of my way. Right, battery tray out. Okay, now we have access to our lovely starter motor. First thing first, we need to disconnect this signal connector. Just take out this red tap. Right, after that squeezing. Right, after that I need to remove this plastic cap. Right, after that we need to remove this 13 mil right. Okay, right, it's out, out. I feeling that one could be 18. Yes, it's 18. Right, okay, that one out, the long one. Yeah, I'm going to leave it as it is because I can't take out at the moment. bottom nut bit awkward place. I think I need to go with the feeling. Right. Once it crack, hopefully I can use my ratchet gun. Should be okay now. Right, now I can take out the top ball and can take out the bottom one. This is the little bit awkward place, bottom one short. Yeah, next step I'm going to compare new one and old one. Right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 13 13. We'll see this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yeah, both same, but however some reason I feel in this one little bit bigger. Right, okay, let's do the opposite way. Couple of thread by hand. Yeah, I'll give the small tip. When you do, take a slightly paper like this, then after that, right, it won't drop anymore. Right, we go with the feeling again. Right, all in. After that, right, I feeling last time also we facing something. We'll see the this edge because this is slightly different design. That's why the what do you call the this connector not go in all the way, it's stuck here. Right, okay, and we'll see the signal connector if it work. I know what to do. Yes, it's work. Okay, first of all I need to install this one. Right, because sometime aftermarket parts slightly modified, that's why sometimes it's causing the tiny problems. Yeah, right, after that we can install this and this nut. Make sure no loose connection there and no need to over tight. Right, okay, that's fine. And after that we need to install this cap. Right, yeah, it's in. After that, this electrical connector. Right, it's in. And red tab, this red color tab, press in, it will lock, it won't come out again. Right, yeah, it's good. Okay, now next step, install battery cover and battery. and I'll come back to you. Yeah, we already fixed the battery and the all wiring loom go with the all line, all good, right? Normally, according to the book, we need to do the plus sign first, but however, according to the book, some cars we can't do that way because some Fords or something the negative line inside, then we can't go with the according to the book. But however, this car I can go according to the book, it's not a problem. This one we need to do with the steady hand, negative line, right? Okay, right, yeah. Again, one more time, check around anything need to attend, all install back as it is. Yes, all done, all good, right? We'll start the car and we'll see what's going on there. Right, now should be your clock will change and lot of light at the dashboard, car start as should be. Yeah, sometime when I remove and reinstall, all light illuminate at the dashboard, but this model nothing there, but only the one warning for the light. I don't know which one, I had to check that one. Yeah, a part of that, all good. One more time, switch off and start. But we expect more. Yeah, but I'm not like other garages after the repair. I'm not scratch my head and say, oh, could be not a battery, could be starter. But before I do something, I'm make sure all good, because without knowing anything, I'm not touch any car. That's my policy. Because after the repair, I don't want to scratch my head and apologies for the customer. No, if I'm not sure, I say sorry. See you next time. See you in the next video.